Hello guys, in today's short video I will teach you how to use fingerprint lock in WhatsApp. For greater privacy you can set fingerprint lock. Let's start the video. Make sure you watch the video till end so you can understand each and every step. Tap on the three dots on top and then go to the settings. Tap on the privacy and scroll down a bit. Here you can see the app lock option, just tap on it. Now turn this option on. It will allow to unlock your WhatsApp with biometric. Then it will ask you for your fingerprint. You can set up the time interval of fingerprint. Also, there are three options. Just select the one which is suitable for you. In this way you can easily set up fingerprint on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching our video. If this video helps you, then give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.